Kasorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasi pelejung tayo kala ajing menjur ban ajing yarap anak sispa ia kasut syakinong rep ki besimram lengba ka Kisan Credit Card. Bat banuan ra ia ka manufacture and sale of homemade fruit wines rules arajat arpo ban ai license no ia kinong senawan ha ka jela Meghalaya.
Kani kajing elang jangka kunhun menteri kelekaran sani bah halor kajing jakinong rep hakabede ba kajing siwa kasut jangkaram Kisan Credit Card nagadau kajing bamla ban pentelun cakamat ka kamrep mentala hendru banai bawanan shop ka klam COVID-19. Namar kani kesorkar kelasya mekarai banera pensiono ar na kasispa na kani kasut jakinong rep kum kajing kersyan yaki. Kat kum kajing pentip kesorkar kan sependod ar poin san kelur tengka ban siwa kani kasut jakinong rep ki basyim ram Kisan Credit Card ki badan kum bakat kendai hajar ngot AA.
This will of course apply to farmers who have taken the loan and have repaid the loan along with the interest, and it will be a reimbursement of 2% of the amount that comes out from the state government's side. This has been done as one of the steps towards supporting the farmers during the time of COVID. We understand that farmers and a lot of the public in general have faced a lot of challenges during this time of COVID, and therefore this is one of the subventions and some of the steps that we've taken, and I would like to thank our Agriculture Minister, the entire Finance and Agriculture Department for taking this step, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in helping the farmers and also in also kind of promoting this entire Kisan Credit, and we hope that more and more farmers go for this in the future.
Kesorkar jela hakani kajingalang kala shimru ekarai banwan rakno yaka manufacture and sale of homemade fruit wines rules arajar arpo ban ai license yaki noshnawan ke jela Meghalaya kenang bagi noshnawan kenla ban penmi ikiwan klem kono kajing te daka ai kajing dawa ban shna rules bayadei bat ka kam shnawan hak jela ka kajing dawa kabala slembha bat kani kajing dawa klami ka kanhun ki noshnawan ke belshim kya ban penlong yakani ka kam kum kawai pat kalat kamai kat kum kini gi rules labo eka kendon bagi noshnawan ken hab ban siu tang shispa tengka shisinduk ka kajna syak sorkar bat la plat ru iki na kajing siu ka value added tax hendrai hashwai kani ki noshnawan ken hab ru ban apply ka license bat ken hab ban siu nyo hajar san spat tengka shwa bakin sedang ya kakam kani kajing elang jang kanhun menteri kala airu ikajing menjor kajing terwa ban penuan lang no hajo ya ke Chief Minister's Rural Development Fund ka bakot praklur tengka bat ke Chief Minister's Special Urban Development Fund basau klur tengka nalor kani ka kanhun menteri kala rairu ban khatiano ikajing syam khajna lengba ka Emergency Credit Card Guarantee Scheme bat PMS Vanidhi Scheme ka banarap igitu ki basyem karam ka baret ha ka bakin am dan kam syo ban register na seo ka khajna ha bagi syem ka scheme Kesorkar jela kala menjuru ika Meghalaya Court Fees E-Payment Rules but ika Meghalaya Settlement of Arrears Rules arhajar arpo.
The Chief Minister's Rural Development Fund and the Chief Minister's Special Urban Development Fund, which has an amount of 8 crores and 4 crores respectively, earlier were implemented through the respective urban affairs and rural departments. But in the interest of improving the overall efficiency and ensuring that the time spent on actually processing the files reduced, these two schemes have been converged into one scheme now under the banner of Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, which will be in the future implemented by the Chief Minister's Secretariat. So this will be the same fund amounting to 12 crores, but it will be now implemented by the Chief Minister's Secretariat, and the purpose is to ensure that the implementation is done at a faster pace.
Kum kesenjam ban penerban ya kaplatengka jeng kesorkar jela leng bagi jinglum khajna boper. Kesorkar jela kini kesi kala menjur ban penkala no ya ka Meghalaya Minerals Cess Act khat khandai spa prapupra ha ka ban kentup no saya khat saujat ki marpo khando ban chaklum khajna no ki bakentup yu iron ore granite maulong usyap kedo bertha ki mau tejing tei bat kiwe Lapan tip pada kejinglum khajna kini marpo kendo kejela kan yok ban lum ka khajna kebala kemi lenti kumba sau phau hadu san phau klur tengka ha ka shisnem